Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll try to understand that by adding question tags to a simple statement, how we can change it into a question. Okay, but before that you should know what is a subject. What is a subject in a sentence? It is a person or a thing that is being described, discussed or dealt with. For example, Ram is a good boy. Okay, what is the subject in this sentence? Ram. We are telling something about Ram, so Ram is the subject here. Then you must know what is a verb or action word in that sentence. What is a verb? A word used to describe an action, state or occurrence and forming the main part of the predicate of a sentence, such as hear, become, happen. For example, Ram plays football. Ram is subject here and plays is verb, action word. Okay. Now, this term refers to the important verb in the sentence, the one that typically shows the action or state of being of the subject. Main verbs can stand alone or they can be used with the helping verb or also called an auxiliary verb. So, there can be helping verb also in the sentence. For example, am, is, are, was, were. Okay, this you will not need for question tags. So these are different forms of be. Am, is, are, was, were. These are helping verbs. Similarly, you can have these helping verbs has, have, had. These you will not require for question tags. Okay, then do, does, did. These are also helping verbs. These two helping verbs we use in present tense. Okay, and did we use in past tense. Remember this. Okay, and you can have these helping verbs also, modal auxiliary verb, that we call can, could, may, might, must, shall, will. Okay, all these helping verbs you may find in the sentences of question tags exercises. Okay, then you must know what is a positive sentence, what is a negative sentence. A positive sentence tells that something is so. For example, they are going to market. This is a positive sentence, right? Then a negative sentence tells that something is not so. They are not going to market. We have added not here. So, this is a negative sentence. Then, for doing question tags correctly, you must know these contracted forms. Is not, we write it like this, isn't. Was not, wasn't. Am not, aren't. Look at this very carefully. Am not, aren't. Are not, also aren't. Were not, weren't. Will not, won't. Please be careful. And where you will put the apostrophe. For example, you are writing the short form of is not. After N you will put the apostrophe. Okay. Then do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't. Then you must know what is a pronoun. Word used in place of noun or noun phrase. Okay, for example, in place of Ram, the pronoun will be he. the boys they. In place of tree, the pronoun will be it. Okay, so now we'll understand how to do question tag exercises. What is a question tag? It is nothing else, it is just a short group of words at the end of a statement which changes the statement into a question. For example, she said half price. Till here it is a statement if we write it separately. But if we have added a question tag, that is didn't she, we have changed this statement into a question. Okay. Now see this example. He is going to market. First step of doing question tag is first step. See, is there any helping verb? Like in this sentence, we have the helping verb is. Okay. So what will you do? First of all, write down this statement as it is given. He is going to market. In place of full stop, write down comma. After market, put comma. Now we have this helping verb here is, right? This is positive. Change it into negative. Add not, is not. Now we will not write down the word is not here. We will write down the contracted form, that is isn't. Okay. Now see what is the subject. Subject is he. It is already in pronoun form. So write down as it is, he, isn't he, and then put the question mark. Take care of this thing. Here H is capital because with he we are starting this sentence. When you will write down he here at this place, H should be small and question mark. This is your complete question tag. Okay. Now come to the next sentence. What was our first step? See helping verb. Helping verb is there? Yes. So write the statement as it is. Rakesh was upset. Put comma. See whether it is positive or negative. It is negative. Was not. So change it into positive. Was not will change to positive. We'll write down only was. Okay. Now see what is the subject. Subject is Rakesh. Now here subject is in noun form, proper noun. If you have to write down pronoun in place of Rakesh, what will you write down? He. Was he? Question mark. Means here you will write down subject in the form of a pronoun, not noun. Okay. Now these two sentences were the type of sentences in which helping verb was there. Now see this sentence. In this, helping verb is not there. The girls lived in this building. Main verb is there. If helping verb is not there, you have to see the main verb. What is the main verb here? Lived. Now you have to see, is it in second form or first form? This is in second form. If the main verb is in second form, after comma, you will write down the helping verb did. Now this is positive. Change it into negative. Did not. And what is the short form of did not? Didn't. Okay. Now come to the subject. What is the subject? The girls. What pronoun you will write down in place of the girls? They. And question mark. This is the complete question tag here. Similarly, come to fourth sentence, Radhika plays football. Radhika plays football, we have written as it is. Put comma. Helping verb is there? No. Check the main verb, plays. First form, yes. With an S, yes. If S is there with the verb, we will write down the helping verb, does. Positive, yes. Change it into negative, does not. Short form of does not is doesn't. Come to the subject, Radhika. Girl's name, yes. Pronoun, she. So the subject question tag will be Radhika plays football, doesn't she? Question mark. Now come to the fifth sentence. My mother will prepare food. Write it down as it is. My mother will prepare food, comma. Helping verb, yes. Will, positive, yes. Change it into negative, will not. What is the short form of will not? Want. Come to the subject, my mother, noun, yes. Change it into pronoun, she. Question mark. They draw beautifully. They draw beautifully, comma. Helping verb is there? No. Come to the main verb, draw. First form, yes. Is there any S? No. If there is no S with the verb, we will write down the helping verb, do. Positive, yes. Change into negative, do not. What is the short form of do not? Don't. Okay. Come to the subject, they. Already pronoun, yes. No need to change. Don't they? These are question tags. Doing question tags can be challenging because so many concepts are involved in this exercise. But once you understand how to do it, they are very, very easy. Believe me. Okay. So if you will go stepwise and do it accordingly, I am sure you will be doing it very easily. Okay. Just remember the points. Number 1 is look for the helping verb. If helping verb is there, you have to see is it in positive form or negative form. You have to do opposite of it, change it and write it down in the short form. Then go to the subject. See, subject is given in pronoun form or noun form. If it is already in pronoun form, write it down as it is and then put question mark. If you do all the steps correctly, then only you will get the full mark. Okay? Otherwise, no mark. Now, if helping verb is not there, go to the main verb, see if it is in past tense, write down did, and other steps follow accordingly. If S is there with verb, does, other steps as it is. If S is not there and it is in the first form, do, and other steps as I have already told you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning.